my imaginary animal is going to be an order Cephalopod, a cuttlefish. So the special structure that it has is around its siphon. Well, actually I should say structures. Is around its siphon. The siphon comes out like this. The structure, there's these long green structures that come out. They kind of look like kelp. And there's 4 of them when it's young, but when it sexually matures, it gets a 5th. And you might think, but what's the reason for that? Well, it's because they live in kelp forests. And yes, it would have more drag to make it slower, but it has another special thing: to escape predators and to lure prey. It burrows into the sand backward, and it changes color to the sand. The long, stringy appendages, the kelp-like appendages, can only be green. They're always green. They can't change color because they don't have chromatophores. So its body turns the color of sand and burrows into the sand, just with the tops of its eyes sticking out so nothing can see it, and with its siphon sticking out. Its siphon is slightly higher than it would be on its head. So if it were to be here, if I was a cuttlefish, it would be here. It would be here. Slightly higher, barely noticeable. But the reason for that is when they burrow, the kelp-like appendages stick out. They heal and wave in the waves. And so they just let it be loose and it waves in the waves. So if a predator swims by, kelp, I'm leaving. Nothing yummy. Prey swims by, yum, kelp, food, yum, free kelp. Swims over, gobble, gobble, gobble. Too bad for the fish, or really, whatever prey it is. Cuttlefish jumps out of the sand, grabs the fish, grabs the prey item, drags it underneath the sand, and eats it. Like all cuttlefish, it has a cuttle bone, which gives it its name, U-shaped eyes. Its suckers are rimmed with teeth, and the male has an extra tentacle to stuff the sperm in the female's mouth. Literally, stuff the sperm in the female's mouth. And is in kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca, order Cephalopoda, class Cephalopoda, genus Intentionum, and species Chivi. Intentionum lechivi translates to burrower in Latin. Thank you.